Hi property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we are at 8 Sandhurst Avenue, Kingston 6, right off Oak Road. You will be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms unit. Come inside. This unit is a 1,500 square feet unit. It is being sold for 45 million Jamaican dollars. You may also get this property for rent at 2,300 US dollars per month. But before we go on into the store, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel, check the description box for additional information, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright, so we are right off Oak Road, and about 5 minutes from us you can find Devon House. You can also find Pastry Passion up by Ligani at the Sovereign Center. We're in an ideal location, and all the amenities that you would enjoy are in close proximity to us. Alright, so this is the living room, and this unit is being rented with the furniture, and it is also being sold with the appliances. So if you intend to rent this unit, the furnishing that you see here will come with it, and as you can see, it is nicely fitted with a sectional couch and a center table, a TV stand, and you can also see that it is open and airy. You enjoy the natural light and the natural air. Alright, so this is an open concept unit, and right off our living space you will find our dining area. This is a 4-seater dining table set, but I definitely see where a 6-seater table can be accommodated. So right off our dining area, we have our laundry and our half bath. And behind these doors, I want to point this out to you and let you know that this unit is partially powered by a solar system. And all of this is nicely tucked behind these bifold doors. Here is our half bath, and you can see that the porcelain floor tiles, they continue throughout the unit, and the wall tiles as well as the mosaic ties nicely with the finishes of the unit. Now here we have our in-unit laundry, and as you can see, it fits a washing machine, a dryer, and it has ample storage space. And it's also fitted with a wash tub. This is a lot of space for laundry in a unit, in an apartment. All right. So let's head to the kitchen. Now, as you see, this unit, as I said before, it's an open concept unit. However, the layout is nicely put, whereas you have this floor, but you have designated spaces. And as I said before, the unit comes with the appliances for sale and fully furnished for rent. So in this kitchen we have upper and lower cabinets, nice white cabinets, And we have this granite countertop that is nicely complemented by the mosaic backsplash. Here we have our lower cabinets, and we have a lot of drawers that are soft closed, right? You can definitely see that the floor tiles, they continue and flow nicely throughout the entire space. Now ahead, we have the secondary bedroom. We have this lovely walk-in closet. Whoever occupies this room has this walk-in closet that they can utilize for storage. And here we have the ensuite for this bedroom, and it is nicely fitted with a rain shower head, these tiles that nicely complements the aesthetics of this unit. And look how lovely this is. I love the dark stained cabinets. We have storage and floor to ceiling wall tiles, beautifully done. So you can see that this bedroom is a good size. It fits this queen bedroom set, and we have two windows that allows us to take in the natural light and the natural air. We have some mature trees around us, so you know that we have nice flowing breeze. And we're going into the master suite. And this is a king size bedroom set, and as you can see, we have a lot of space remaining that can be utilized. We have a number of windows, and you see that it comes with ceiling fan and an AC unit. And this bedroom has this customized walk-in closet with a lot of shelves and storage for your clothes, your shoes. I see a tall standing mirror there just to see how that outfit fits. Love this mirror. And this is the ensuite for the bedroom, for the master bedroom, and you see that it comes with a jacuzzi. And a double sink vanity. And you see that the tiles, the floor to ceiling wall tiles continues. Lovely countertop. And we have here our toilet. I want you to take a look at the the shower stall and see how nicely the tiles flow throughout the entire unit, the entire bathroom. We have the rain shower head and we have this slide glass door enclosure. So as you can see, we have bright airy rooms in this apartment that are fitted with air conditioning unit. We have a spacious kitchen with lovely countertops. You can also see that the windows are grilled. We have in-unit laundry, and I must say that this is a secured complex. We have 24 hours security, a swimming pool, and here we have the second patio that gives you a lovely view of the mountains. As you can see, downstairs we have our backup water system, and the property is nicely kept, clean and intimate complex. Lovely. So property viewers, you can see that this is an elegant apartment, and you can also see that a lot of love was placed into the decor and the maintenance of this unit. If you are interested, you may contact June Storage of Remax Elite. Our information will be placed in the description box, and it will also be posted in this video. If you need additional information or if you have any queries, you may email us at propertyviewers@gmail.com. If you like our content, if you want more content such as this, if you want us to help you in finding your dream home, continue to watching our videos, like and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next property tour. Bye.